What's going on, guys, with another tutorial. Now I'm gonna talk about the quotation and situation element. So think about a situation. You need to put after the paragraph, you need to put a quotation that is written by him or her. So how are we gonna do that? So for that we have quotation mark. So what I'm gonna do, just I'm gonna show you a quotation mark. So here, just you need to add. This is there are five types of element. One of the this is the way one of them works, and you want to put this line. So wait. So as you can see, it's under a quotation mark. And now you want more types of quotation. So how are we gonna do that? We have for everything, like the titles way, I think so think about, there is an image. I will later teach you how to add image. That's another thing, but for the images purpose, I'm gonna show you now. So first, what I'm gonna do is, think about that. I'm gonna do here, and the I don't want to do more of the quotation mark. I just want to end it here. I don't want it here. Just remove it here from here, and then what you need to do is use the paragraph tag, and inside that put CIT and Control plus X, Control plus V, and you can see this is the way sometimes the paintings were there. This is the way you can do that, and there are more. The block code. So what block code does is, just show you that. Yeah, you want the I'm gonna take this and cut, and I will write block code. The newspaper, they used to do this. So block code, and uh, in the site you need to add a site, but I'm not gonna do that for simplicity purpose. I will later teach you that too, so you can see that. And if you put any website like google.com, not that, yeah, so it won't make a difference at all, just to feel you the difference, that's why. So uh, and we have more tags for quotation. We have BDO, and we have addresses. So first I'm gonna do with the BDO. I will take this line, cut that. Oh, that's why there are two stages here. That's why there are two stages, and you can see that it's a gap from here and gap from here. That's due, these things are done by those. And first, what I'm gonna do, type BDO, bidirectional override, and you can type RTL from right to left, or you can left to right. You can do that. I will do it later. So this is right to left, and you want, and the thing is, this is called subtags. These are called tags, and these are called subtags, and you will pass the things to this. So I'm gonna do is left to right, LTR, and when you save this you can see it's left from right, and you see that, right? So this is what it does. It's totally up to you. You can choose anything you want. So and we have address tag. Think about you are writing a letter in a real world scenario though, and you want it to be appear like you written in application and there is a address. So this is what you can use this is where you can use this. So think about this line as a you can say address, and just you need to type address and don't put anything now. I'm not gonna go for classes and sub tags. I will later do explain though. For now it's not, I'm not gonna do that anything. And there's something called break line. You can break the line from here. So br, it doesn't have a second or a closing tag. You just need to put a beginning tag, that's it. So br, another br, and you can see it's look like a what we call address bar. And you can use br at a lot of places, like if you want br here, so br, 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 and how much you want, it will give you that space. So 3 line of space, you need more br, one more. So that's how br works. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next tutorial.